Hello, my name is David, and this is Lucas from Earthbound and Super Smash Bros. I stuck him on an amiibo stand, put my amiibo card at the bottom to basically make an amiibo. So, yeah, let's get to work. So, first, I like to make the head first. So I take some tan clay and roll it into an oval, and then I take a toothpick with some tan clay on it and stick it at the back. Then I make a circle and then take my ball tool and indent it in the middle and cut it in half to make the ears. I place them on the sides. Then for the hair, it's kind of tricky. I take some clay, morph the top up, and morph the other two sides. The sides, make an oval at the back. And then I take a bunch of spike shapes. And, I take two of them, place them here and here. Then I took another one and, cut three little things into it, placed it here. Then I made a hair texture by taking my knife and just combing the hair. Then I placed two little black flattened ovals here and here, and take two little spikes of clay, double-sided spikes, and place them on top for eyebrows. Then I take a little sausage of clay, cut the end off, and place it here for the nose. And then for the mouth, I took a red flattened oval of clay, and I applied a little bit of makeup at the bottom for the extra bit of effect. Then actually I make the pants next, not the shirt. Basically, I take an oval of clay, cut the middle, cut the little pants details into it. I actually put pants on backwards, which I think is hilarious. Then if you want to go super detailed, I take my toothpick and make the wrinkles in the pants. Then I take toothpicks, put tan and white clay on them, and stick them in. They shouldn't be very long. For the shoes, it's kind of tricky. I take a red oval of clay, I cut the end off, place a yellow semicircle on it. I take a flattened yellow oval of clay, step the shoe into it. Then I take a very thin snake of clay and just make 3 lines on it. And I make straight lines for the little tie thingies and some loops for the shoelace circle things. Then after you bake that along with a large flattened black oval of clay, and if you have an amiibo card, indent it into the bottom. This is a keen step. Then I printed out a little earthbound symbol and placed it on the bottom with super glue. You can glue the card at the bottom of the stand. Anyway, for the shirt, I take elongated semicircle. I take red strips of clay and wrap them around it and blend it in. I do the same for the sleeves. And then I take some wire and bend it into the arm poses you're planning on. For the hands, I take a flattened oval of clay. I cut the fingers around the fingers. Then I take a sausage of clay for the thumb. Sorry. And I wanted him to be doing PK Fire. So I made a little lightning bolt, which is just like a spike of clay. I bend it up once and to the side, and there we go, little lightning bolt. You can do any hand pose, any body pose you want. And, yeah, there you go. You've made Lucas Amiibo. PK Fire. Bye.